Are you looking for a bicycle that is classed as a bicycle but gives you that moped feel to it and is electric, that helps you save money so you don't have to worry about the cost of the rise in fuel and the cost of living? Well, the e-scooter might be for you. Join us on today's review where we'll be talking about the e-scooter and its lovely features, just like a normal moped would have, but it's actually classed as a bicycle. Stay tuned and find out more. So the security features on the ESkuta 3 series, it's a massive improvement from the former model that eSkuta offered. First of all, there is an immobiliser alarm, and the alarm difference between the former series, the alarm on the new 3 series is a lot louder than the old series. Allow me to demonstrate. So to lock the bike, you press the lock button, the padlock button on your new key fob for the ESkuta 3 series. It will make a noise like that. If you try and move the bike, back wheel comes on, locks, and then it makes a really loud alarm. I've alerted the whole neighbourhood that someone is trying to steal my bike, but it's actually me, for testing purposes for this video. As well as an improvement in the alarm sound on the new series for the ESkuta 3 series, you can also unlock the bike remotely from the key fob. So to do this, you press the electric button, he says, there we are. So it can take a couple of moments to just start up and come on, but the bike is now in motion. So this is a wireless key fob. Now if someone wants to steal your bike and you have the key fob, so what this means, if the key fob goes out a certain range of your ESkuta 3 series, the back wheel will lock on, so will the front, and the bike will be unmovable and the alarm will be activated. So effectively, the only way they can steal your ESkuta 3 series is by picking the bike up, and by picking the bike up, it's really heavy. It would require at least 3 people to do so. So to turn the bike off once you've started it through your key fob, simply just press the unlock button or lock button, and that will turn your bike off. So those are the main security features of the 3 series. So as well as what I've spoken about, you can also insert your key into the key fob and you can start the motor that way. One other thing I'd like to touch upon as well is a lot of people don't have external charging points. So this is where the e-scooter really comes in handy. So just like on a normal moped or motorbike, the only difference is the battery is in where the storage compartment on a normal motorbike. So you can simply just unlock it here. So there's a key in the back, and you have your battery. So the battery unit, which is not a lot of space to put other things in, but you do have the front glove compartment and the storage box, which I will show you in a moment. So as you can see with the battery, all you have to do is simply unplug here, put the cable to one side while you lift it out, grab the handle, and I can simply lift that with 2 fingers, and then you can take that in and just plug it in with the charger provided by eSkuta. Now alternatively, underneath the bike here, so you want to go underneath where the rear wheel is, you'll come across an external power point, and you can plug that in if you have an outlet that is external to your property. Costing only 15p for a full charge, you can achieve up to 50-mile range from your ESkuta 3 series. Now, you can achieve this range simply just by riding your bike However, the range that has been advertised is a little bit different, so it depends on the rider's weight, surfaces you're riding on, and are a number of different factors including weather conditions. But classed as an EAPC for the ESkuta 3 Series, the ESkuta is road legal and comes under the bicycle category, which means it does a top speed of 25 km per hour or 15.5 miles per hour, which has the pedal assist function. One of my favourite aspects about the ESkuta 3 Series is you do not require a driving licence or CVT, and all the other requirements a motor vehicle would have are not needed for the ESkuta 3 Series. So the ESkuta 3 Series, you aren't legally required to wear a helmet, but I highly suggest that you do wear one for your own protection. So I'm now going to be speaking about the speedometer on the ESkuta 3 Series. So first of all, in the middle, in the bright black numbers, you can see your miles per hour. Now this is a massive improvement to UK residents. On the previous former ESkuta model, the display would show in kilometers per hour. Now a lot of the speeding signs, which you probably won't exceed on the ESkuta, are displayed in miles per hour in the UK. So this is a massive improvement. You can see what miles per hour you are doing. In addition to this, it also tells you your total distance in miles rather than kilometers. And finally, one of my favorite improvements in this new 3 Series model for the ESkuta, you can see your total percentage of battery. Now I have 92% battery left. Now if you can remember on the old model of the ESkuta, there wasn't a percentage sign. So, and this is the massive thing for me, having range anxiety. You have like 2 or 3 bars left, but you don't actually know what percentage of electric you have left. And this is a massive improvement, and I really like what ESkuta have done here.
I got you and your vibes in my mind, I can't get them out, no matter how hard I try. I need you and your heart next to mine, yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions, your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it, it's electric, can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric, I'm up in my feelings. Got double vision cause of you tonight. It's electric.
Way to travel, a greener way to travel, and you're looking to cut down due to the recent cost of living crisis, the ESkuta 3 Series is for you. Costing only £1,795, excluding the storage box and tech bar, the ESkuta 3 Series really meets its price that it's been marketed for. It's a green way to travel, and as a reminder, it costs only 15p for up to 50 miles range, whereas you'd be spending £15–20 for that sort of commute on a motor vehicle. If you are interested in buying this product and you have watched this YouTube video today, you may use the promo code ALEX10. Simply call the sales number, and the sales number is 024 7635 0150. Ask to speak to any sales representative and give the code ALEX10 and you'll get 10% off, which is 1,700. It'd be about £179, around about £170 off your ESkuta 3 Series. And the ESkuta 3 Series comes fully assembled to your door. The driver will give you a walkthrough and a tutorial on how to use your e-scooter safely on the UK roads and any other questions you might have. I hope you've enjoyed watching today's video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down in the description down below. Just a reminder, the e-scooter is available in a multi-range of colours. You have blue, yellow, black, white, you have all different colours. And for those that are watching, companies may also purchase them and get the e-scooter branded as their company. So for example, if you're a manager for Papa John's, you're a manager for a pizza shop or a delivery shop and you have your own delivery drivers, this could be a really good cheap alternative for travel for your drivers. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in my next YouTube video.